Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So coming back to the topic, that is operating system page replacement algorithms. So in this lecture we will be covering least recently used algorithms introduction as well as example that is very important for your competitive as well as your college semester level examination. So let's start the session. So question here says for the following page reference string, here is the reference string given where we have total 12 values. The number of page faults that occur in least recently used page replacement algorithm with frame size 3 is what? So now at first you have to check the given values. So they had given one reference string. Secondly, the method that you should use, that is here the least recently used method, and the size of frame that is equals to 3. Okay, so based on the question, first you have to write the given reference values and according to these values you have to make a table. Here only 3 rows we are going to create because in the question they had given the frame size 3. Okay, so this is a table of 12 into 3. Okay, now in case of least recently used algorithm, we always replace the value that we had recently used. Okay, so at first मेमोरी में 4 वैल्यू एंटर होना चाहती थी गिवन स्ट्रिंग से 4 वैल्यू एंटर होगी बट यहाँ पर ऑलरेडी वो वैल्यू अवेलेबल नहीं है सो वी विल राइट 4 एज इट इज सो दिस इज अ मिस यानी कि पेज फॉल्ट 1. ओके, secondly 4 is already there. Next value is 3 and we have to find the value in the memory, but 3 is not available anywhere, so we can easily write 3 here and this is one more page fault. Second, 4 and 3 are already there. Now next value is 2 and this is the blank space, so we can write 2 here. This is the page fault 3. Now the value 1. As you can see here, 3 frames are there and all of the frames are already occupied by 4, 3 and 2. Now one want to enter in the memory but we don't have any space, and for this we have to replace any of the one value by using least recently used algorithm. And for this algorithm, what value you should remove here or replace here is the least recently used. That means they had given value of frame size is 3. Okay, so from 1 you have to count 3 values back, that is 1, 2 and 3. That means you can easily replace value 4. So in case of 4 you can write 1, 3 and 2. So this is one more page fault. Okay, in case of 4, again 4 is not available anywhere, so you need to replace one value. 3 frames are there, so you need to go back to value 3. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. So you can easily replace 3. So a 1, 4 and 2. This is one more page fault. Next value is 3 here. So if you want to add 3, so you need to replace the third value. Okay, 1, 2, 3. So third value here is 2, so you can easily replace 2. This is the page fault 6. Next value is 5. 5 is not available, so you can replace 1, 2, 3. That is 1. So in place of 1 you can write 5 like this. So this is page fault number 7. Okay. Next is 4. So 4 you can see already available in the queue, in the frame, so you can write it as it is. So no page fault occurs. Now next value is 3. 3 is also already available here, so you just write it as it is. Okay, next value is 2 and in case of 2 what value you should replace, so you have to go back to the third value. So 2 के बाद third value है 1, 2 and 3. That means you can add value 2 in place of 5. So here is 2, 4 and 3. So this is 8th page fault. Next value is 2 Next value is 2. Sorry, next value is 1 and you have to replace one value. So 1, 2, 3. So third value you will be replacing. Okay. So 2, 1 and 3. This is one more page fault. Okay. Next is 5. And if you want to add 5 in the frame, you can remove the third value 1, 2 and 3. So third value here is 3. So 2, 1 and 5. So this is page fault number 10. Okay, so total page fault here is 10. So the correct answer will be option number 3, that is 10. Okay, option number 3, that is 10 here is the correct answer. Now students, this is the traditional method of using least recently used algorithm. This is the longest method, longest form. Now same question we will solve with some easiest trick, right? So for this trick, what you need to do is 4, 3 and 2. Write 3 values as it is. 3 values as it is. That means we have right now 3 page faults. Okay. This is the second important method. That is the shortest method. Okay. So 4, 3, 2 we have already written here. Next value is first. So we will replace 4 because 4 is the first value here. So we will replace 4 with 1. यानी कि one more page fault we have added. Next value is 4 and if you want to add 4 you need to replace the 3. So write it as 4. Next value, one more page fault. Next value is 3 and if you want to add 3 you need to replace value 2 like this. One more page fault here. Next value is 7. Sorry, next value is 5 and if you want to remove 5 you need to cut the least value, that is 5, that is 1. So this is one more page fault. Okay, this color is not clearly visible, so let me just remove this. Okay, so this is one more page fault. Next value is 5. So 5 is not already available, so we need to write it as this. Okay, 4 is already there and 3 is already there. Now the next value is 2 and if you want to add 2 you need to replace what? You need to replace value 5. Okay, so value 5 की जगह पर write it as 2. Next value is 1. Next value is 1. Cut 4 and write 1. Next value is 5. Cut this 3 and write value 5. Okay, so this is the page fault 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you can write it as this. So total 10 page faults are there in the given question. Okay, so in case of only, remember one point students, only in case of least recently used you can use this method. And as I have told you so many times कि न्यूमेरिकल क्वेश्चंस जो भी होते हैं कंप्यूटर सिस्टम में, स्पेशली ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम में, उन सभी क्वेश्चंस में जितना ज्यादा आप प्रैक्टिस करोगे उतना ज्यादा बेहतर होगा. सो दीज क्वेश्चंस आर वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, वेरी वेरी easy and scoring section. So practice as much as you can. If you want some practice questions, if you want me to share some 4 to 5 practice questions with you, you can just comment below. I will definitely help you all. Okay students, so in page replacement algorithm series we have discussed its introduction, different types, where FIFO, that is first in first out algorithm, introduction and example we have discussed in lecture number 39. Least recently used algorithm today we had discussed, and in the next lecture we will be covering third most important algorithm, that is optimal page replacement algorithm. So with the help of some previous year questions based on your college level examination, I will start this session. Okay, so thank you so much everyone for watching this video and